Hey, some Nigerians, welcome back to the School of Mathematics Nigeria. So today we'll be talking, or we'll try to solve an example of an AP. When you hear AP, you know it's called arithmetic progression. Okay, now let's do this. Given a sequence, right, we said you have to check the pattern. That way you know it's an AP or a GP. That's the arithmetic or geometric progression. So this way we know that, oh, moving this way, you had to add 3, right? 3, 3. Now, how do we get the formula? What if we're asked to find the 16th term of an AP? How are we supposed to know it? Are we supposed to keep adding 3? Well, let's see. You know that the formula is A plus N minus 1D. Now, one thing I want you to know in mathematics is before you can even get something, you have to know the rules, the formula, and the pattern. If you do not know the formula, you can't solve it. Get me? If you don't know the formula, that's why sometimes you have to memorize some things. You have to know the formula when it comes to AP and GP, okay? Now, going back, how did they get this formula? What made them know that this was happening? Let's see. In a case like this, right, you have your first term, right? How did we get the second term? The first term plus the common difference, right? That's 2 plus 3 gave us 5, right? The first term is 2, the common difference is 3, gave us 5. So how do we know the next one? A plus 2D, right? D is what? 3. So 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So that's how we keep going until we're able to get the nth term, which is A plus, you see that we're reducing by 1. So n minus 1 D. Do you see? So that is how the formula for AP was gotten. Okay? That way if you're asked to find any term, you are able to solve it because you know the formula. Now imagine that we're asked to find the term. Find the 16th term of this AP. Right? Now let's see how we do it. We know the formula already. Make sure you know your formula. So that way you know that we're looking for the 16th term, right? So now what's your first term? Your first term is what? 2. What's n? 16. The term we're looking for, right? Minus 1. What's your common difference? 3. Right? So that way you know U16 is what? 2 plus 16 minus 1, 15 times 3, right? So U16 is 2 plus 15 times 3 is what? 45. So you know that 2 plus 45 is what? 47. That way you are able to get the 16th term. So now you can solve for any term so long you know your formula for the AP. Note that this is for arithmetic progression. So why not find the system and let me know your answer in the comment section. Until next class, bye.